Ya Ahlan Nar, Khuludun Fala Maut. O dwellers of hell, O inmates of hell, you will have everlasting life, no more death. No more death. Silent. And the Messenger of Allah, due to this, he recited this ayah, وَأَنذِرْهُمْ يَوْمَ الْحَسْرَةِ, and warn them of the day of intense regrets, إِذْ قُضِيَ الْأَمْرِ, when the matter is decided. What a regret. Among those who regret, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam, the hadith of Muslim, Abu Hurairah, he said, the Messenger of Allah said, أَتَدْرُونَ مَا الْمُفْلِسِ, do you know who the poor is? Do you know who is the bankrupt? قالوا الْمُفْلِسُ فِينَا مَنْ لَا دِرْهَمَ لَهُ وَلَا مَتَاعٍ. They said, the poor and the bankrupt among us is the one who has no money and no property. He said, إِنَّ الْمُفْلِسَ مِنْ أُمَّتِي مَنْ يَأْتِي يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ بِصَلَاةٍ وَصِيَامٍ وَزَكَاةٍ وَيَأْتِي وَقَدْ شَتَمَ هَذَا وَكَذَفَ هَذَا وَأَكَلَ مَالَ هَذَا وَسَفَكَ دَمَ هَذَا وَضَرَبَ هَذَا. Do you know the bankrupt person in my ummah? The one who will come on the day of judgment with an authentic prayer, very good prayer, 5 daily prayer, excellent. He will come with fasting, Ramadan, excellent. He gave zakah, excellent. But he came, وَقَدْ شَتَمَ هَذَا, he insulted that. وَقَذَفَ هَذَا, and he falsely accused that. He said she committed zina. He didn't see it, but he said yes, and due to that she was divorced. وَقَذَفَ هَذَا, and he falsely accused that. وَأَكَلَ مَالَ هَذَا, and he wrongly consumed the money and the property of this. وَسَفَكَ دَمَ هَذَا, and he spilled the blood of that. وَضَرَبَ هَذَا, and he beats that. فَيُعْطَى هَذَا مِنْ حَسَنَاتِ وَهَذَا مِنْ حَسَنَاتِ. Then they will take his deeds and will be given to this. His good deeds will be given to this. His good deeds will be given to that. فَإِنْ فَنِيَتْ حَسَنَاتُ قَبْلَ أَنْ يُقْضَى مَا عَلَيْهِ أُخِذَ مِنْ خَطَايَاهُمْ فَطُرِحَتْ عَلَيْهِ ثُمَّ طُرِحَ فِي النَّارِ. What a regret, what a loss. When they give all his good deeds to them, those who suffered in his hand, and if all his good deeds fall short, now they will take their bad deeds and they will give it to him. They will take their bad deeds and give it to you. Yes, those you accused, those you consume their money, those you consume their money wrongly, those you accused, those you spill their blood. What a loss. When everything is done, فَطُرِحَ فِي النَّارِ, and he will be thrown into hellfire. Remember, you don't want to be a loser. On that day, وَأَنذِرْهُمْ يَوْمَ الْحَسْرَةِ, among those who will lose on that day and who will regret, my brother, who is your friend? Who do you take as a friend? وَيَوْمَ يَعَضُّ الظَّالِمُ عَلَى يَدَيْهِ يَقُولُ يَا لَيْتَنِي اتَّخَذْتُ مَعَ الرَّسُولِ سَبِيلًا. The day that some people and the wrong people, the wrongdoers, will bite their hands. I wish I had followed Muhammad. I wish I had followed the path of Muhammad. يا ويلتى ليتني لم أتخذ فلانا خليلا. Woe to me, oh my God, I wish I had never taken so and so as a close friend. Why? You used to love him, you followed him everywhere, whatever he tell you to do, you do. Yeah, but لقد أضلني عن الذكر, but he led me astray, he misguided me from the remembrance. بعد إذ جاءني, after it came to me. وَكَانَ الشَّيْطَانُ لِلْإِنسَانِ خَذُولًا. Indeed, Shaitan always betray humankind. He's a betrayer. Among those who regret, those who follow the path of Shaitan in this